Just to work out the price for, I'm going to price the ones I seen on the motorway in Udantani, how much they cost, and work out the price to build a small unit yourself. So it's the same size as the knockdown, 20 by maybe 3, and then make a wee porch at the front and add in another 4 concrete posts further down. The only problem I've got really is that's for the water pump, but I'll just put outside and build another small extension over here, and down here is going to be the septic tank, and here is the other room, and then is now doing the bathroom, so the shower, toilet, wash and basin is going to go in here, and then here is going to be a room just for the pump and gardening tools. So we'll do that next, but it'll be done. But we're just back on the better weather now. For the last 2 weeks it's been heavy rain, so hopefully now we can a bit more today and a bit more tomorrow. That's a double concrete block for the foundations. Now digging the tank, putting the septic tank in here, concrete. That's a single concrete blocks. We're not going to use them. We're going to go for the Acorn block, but it's no a problem. We'll just use them for something else, garden wall or something like that. So we'll do home tomorrow and pick up a pallet of Acorn block. They're a lot lighter as well, so easy to handle and they're light. Then this one's going to be a porch at the front. We've got loads of room. This is actually it was going to be a pump house. I thought, well, why not just make a wee small house here for maybe people coming to stay, or just a wee sort of guest house, and after that the main house can go over the back of the car. It's a good plot of land here. It's got loads and loads of room. So that's the septic tanks here, and there's a wee plug you get as well to go in to plug them. You get that as well. Oh, that's it down there, the wee plug. That's a DPC that people forget to put in. Everybody forgets to use it, but we use it all the time. So tomorrow we've dug all the holes for the concrete posts. There's 4 to go in, and then that's concrete's already in. Tomorrow we'll do the concrete for the walls, and then that's it. So septic tank, concrete walls, and the toilet. But I think you'd be shocked at the price, how much you can build it for. The block's only 14 baht to buy the blocks. The pipe's 130 baht. So, and then the single block 5 baht. So I mean, you're talking about relatively small money to build a house. Mind you, people build fancy houses for 3-4 million baht, then they lose all their money. They go back home because they spent it all. You can't replace money at 65 years old unless you're into crypto and you get a good return on your money. But if you're relying on people to make you money, or you make it yourself, it's not so easy. Because now the markets are all changing. Even Thailand now, there's less tourists and less money basically. People's not got money, that's it. So these small farms that you can buy, or small holdings, are excellent. You can grow stuff and basically good. Suppose making the foundations now for the toilet, shower and wash and basin. We all say bathroom because of that used to it, but it's really a shower suite. We're making a shower suite. I'll give you progress over the next few days. But that's this is done, and that's done. All we've got to do now is start Acorn block tomorrow, if it's good weather. So hopefully it's good weather. Okie doke. So that's just building a small house in Thailand. Tiny house, we'll call it, tiny house, on a budget. And I'll not going to tell you the price I think it's going to cost. I'll let you guess. So that's my chickens next door. Okay, speak to you tomorrow.